In a world of near infinite desires but very limited resources, how do we decide what gets produced and at what price? This is economics, and basically everything can be broken down into simple supply and demand. Whether it's the latest smartphone, your morning coffee, or the roof over your head, supply and demand affects every aspect of our lives. But how does it work, and why does it matter to you? Let's break it down. Supply represents the quantity of a product or service in the market. The amount supplied, like factories producing products or workers offering their labor, is fluctuating all the time. Companies going in and out of business, workers retiring, and so on. Demand represents that current desire for that particular product or service. Buyers, each with their own unique preferences and needs, generally have a specific budget in their mind when considering a purchase. This budget is dynamic, constantly fluctuating based on how urgent the buyer's need or desire is. Just as our desires change over time, so does the demand. These two market forces work together to dictate the price. Imagine a small town with a single restaurant. This restaurant has a maximum seating capacity of 100 people, which we'll call the supply. Now, what happens when more than 100 people want to dine there? Let's say 200 hungry people show up, creating a huge demand for meals at the restaurant. With 200 people wanting to eat, the demand exceeds the restaurant's capacity. The restaurant can respond by raising its prices. As prices go up, some potential diners may decide it's too expensive and opt not to eat there. This helps manage the demand. The restaurant continues adjusting its prices until the demand aligns with its seating capacity. Conversely, if prices are too low, the restaurant might get overcrowded again. This effect is happening all the time across the entire globe, and it's why you can buy something for one price one year and a completely different price the next.